You must show right something. Yes. You must hands. Okay. So your movements. Toe. Toe. Okay. Toe. You must look all joints. Yes. You must palpate. Okay. All. As you see, Heberdens, Bouchard's nose. Yes. All. No pain. No pain. Yes. Metacarpophalangeal, wrist, yes, yes, no. Okay, so you go to elbow, and you only 2 movements, yes. Must look is nose or no nose. So go to this, yeah. The palpate is redness, warm, yes, cold, yes. Tenderness, yes, no, okay. So you have active movements. Oh, tape, reciprocal skill. Okay. So go to look for auricular, is nodes, podagra, tophi maybe, yes, if you have podagra. Ask the patient to eat, improvement, imagine eat. Temporomandibular, yes. So, spine, so movements. Į vieną pusę, į kitą pusę. Okay. So dabar spine, look spine. This is no pain. Ask the patient to perslenkti. Okay. Okay. Dabar į vieną šoną. Į kitą, antraus teikė, į vieną šoną, į kitą šoną, ok? Dabar atgal pasilenkit, atgal, do, elasticity, fine, yes. Dabar this is boxer, ant vienos kojos pastovėk, and one more back, ok? Then your movement to this, and this. Okay, go to